Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimensions 9.1 into 48.11 into 29.8 inch and 25.5 into 122.6 into 75 cm. Weight 41.59 kg and 35.8 kg. Wall mounting 300 into 200 mm and 200 into 200 mm. Operating temperature 40 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Tuners attached 1.0 USA, DVB T2 S2C Europe and DVB T2 S2C Europe. Special features: OLED Evo, OLED EX, brightness booster, game optimizer dashboard and game bar 2.0, motion accelerator 120. Part 2. Display. Display type: OLED AMOLED and QLED LED backlight LCD. Display size: 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 USA and Europe and 43, 50, 55, 65, 75 inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz and 60 Hz. Pixel density 53.4 ppi and 52 ppi. Display colors 1070 million. Bit deep 10 bit. Brightness 1150 nits and 450 nits. Variable refresh rate, FreeSync, G-Sync and only FreeSync. HDR formats: HDR10 Hybrid Long Gamma Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 HDR10 Plus Hybrid Long Gamma Dolby Vision. Response time 0.1 millisecond and 15 millisecond. Anti-reflection coating, yes. Ambient light sensor, yes. View angle. Part 3. Connectivity. Number of HDMI 4 into HDMI 2.1 and 3 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 3 and 2. RJ45 ports on. Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.0. USB ports 2. 3.5 mm audio jack, no and yes. Part 4. Features. TV platform, Web OS and Android TV. Version at launch 24 and 11.0. OS updates, yes. AirPlay, yes and no. HomeKit, yes and no. Voice assistant, Google Assistant Alexa. Sleep timer, yes. Child lock, yes. Search browser, yes. Operating power consumption 240.6 watt and 168 watt. Part 5. Audio. Speakers 2.2 40 watt and 2.0 30 watt. Audio output power 4 into 10 watt and 2 into 15 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC, yes. Dolby audio, yes. Detach audio, yes. Subwoofer, yes. STO speakers, no and yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.